Do hashtags work for Facebook Reels? If you want your Facebook Reels to get in front of more people, you absolutely should be using hashtags. In this video, I'm sharing the best hashtag tips for Facebook Reels so you can get your videos shown to the right people, grow your audience, and convert more leads and sales. My name is Jordan Maley, and I'm the co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious entrepreneurs the blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so you can create a profitable social media presence without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. Yes, hashtags are worth using on Facebook Reels. And although they aren't as popular on Facebook as they are on other social media platforms, you can and should be adding hashtags to your Reels on Facebook if you want to maximize your potential reach. Facebook Reels are one of the fastest ways to grow your audience using the Facebook platform, whether you're building on your personal profile or on your business page. And with the Reels bonus program where Facebook actually pays you for the number of views that you get on your Reels, it's definitely worth honing your hashtag strategy so you can get as many views as possible. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3 most frequently asked questions around using hashtags to improve your reach with Facebook Reels. How do hashtags work on Facebook? Which ones should you be using? And how many hashtags should you use on each post? So let's dive in. First things first, how the heck do hashtags even work on Facebook? Most people have no idea how hashtags work, and as a result, they're not using them effectively. This answer is actually going to apply to any social media platform where you can use hashtags, and I think what you learn might surprise you. Hashtags are like keywords that help the algorithm know who to show your videos to. While platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are social media platforms, they're starting to behave more and more like search engines. This means that the algorithm for these platforms look at keywords in your content and use those words to determine what your post is about and who it's targeted at so that it can show your video to the people who are most likely to enjoy and engage with it. A great way to think about this when it comes to hashtags is to imagine that every hashtag is a bucket. Each time you use a hashtag on a post, that post gets put into a bucket that's full of other posts that also use that hashtag. The buckets help the algorithm categorize your video and push them out to people who are most likely to be interested in that topic. So, for example, if you created a video sharing a gluten-free bread recipe, the question becomes which buckets would that video need to be put in so that it gets shown to the right people. You might use hashtags like gluten-free recipes, gluten-free bread, and homemade bread. The algorithm wants people seeing posts on topics that they enjoy and want to engage with. It's just smart business. If you hate cats and every time you open up Facebook Reels, all you saw was cat videos, you probably wouldn't want to spend a lot of time there. But if you're a stay-at-home mom with 3 kids and your Reels feed is full of videos from other moms sharing fun activities, healthy eating ideas, and relatable content about what it feels like to be a stay-at-home mom, you're gonna spend more time there because it's relevant and interesting to you. If the Facebook algorithm notices that there's a mom in Virginia who regularly watches and saves videos that share the gluten-free recipe hashtag, and then you use that hashtag on your bread video, the algorithm is much more likely to push that video out into her feed because she's already indicated that she likes content like that. So this brings us to the next question, which hashtags should you use? The golden rule of hashtags is that you should only be using the ones that are relevant to your account and the content you create. I like to break my hashtags down into 3 different categories. Hashtags that call out who I help, how I help, and hashtags that are specific to the individual piece of content I'm posting. So for example, if I was posting a Facebook Reel on this same video topic as this video, Facebook Reel hashtags, I might use the hashtag online coaches, social media growth, and hashtag tips. This tells the algorithm to put the video into those 3 buckets and show it to online coaches who are looking for hashtag tips to grow on social media. To find the best hashtags for you, start by thinking about who you want to reach with your posts. Is it moms, entrepreneurs, couples, students, retirees? What other words could you use to describe your ideal client or customer that is relevant here? For example, do you help moms who are interested in health? You could use the hashtag #HealthyMom. Do you specifically like to work with and help new moms or stay-at-home moms or working moms? You could use the hashtag new mom, stay-at-home mom, or working mom. Avoid using hashtags that don't narrow down your target audience enough. For example, if I'm wanting to reach entrepreneurs, I wouldn't say hashtag busy entrepreneurs. All entrepreneurs are busy. Instead, I might say course creators or online coaches or female business owners. Go into the Facebook app and start typing hashtags into the search bar. Start broad and then narrow it down. Each time you search, Facebook will tell you how many other posts are using this hashtag. You want some big buckets like hashtag entrepreneur, which has 2.8 million posts. Some medium-sized buckets like hashtag female entrepreneur, which has 220,000 posts. And some small buckets like hashtag female coaches, which has 2,700. Go through this process for who you help and how you help. So going back to our gluten-free bread example, maybe the who is hashtag healthy mom and the what is hashtag gluten-free tips. You can also work ahead by creating a list of hashtags that would work for all your pillars of content that you create within the app. So for example, if you share breakfast, lunch, and snack recipes for moms, you could use hashtag gluten-free breakfast on any post that specifically shares a breakfast recipe. If you want to dive deeper into how to use content pillars to come up with endless post ideas for your ideal client, check out this video. Once you have a list of hashtags, it's time for the next question. How many should you use? There's a lot of debate around this, but what we have found to work best for Facebook is that it's best to stick with 3 to 5 hashtags for each reel that you post. But the exact number is going to be different for every person based on your niche and the type of content that you're creating. We recommend experimenting with different combinations until you find the sweet spot. To make it simple, I use the same who and how hashtags for every single post. And then I just add in 1 or 2 hashtags that are specific to the content in the video when I get ready to post it. To help yourself stay organized, keep a list of hashtags you use somewhere on your phone so you can just copy and paste them into your caption without having to type them out every single time. Hashtags are a powerful tool for improving your reach with your Facebook Reels. But remember, they're just one piece of the puzzle. In addition to Reels, you also want to be tapping into all the different types of posts that you can be doing on Facebook. And if you want to see the exact posting schedule we follow to power our 7-figure global brand, including the 3 types of posts you should be using on every platform if you want to grow your audience, capture leads, and convert sales, then I invite you to download our free social media posting plan. Inside, we're going to break down all the different post types that are working best right now on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And we're also going to give you our personal posting schedule and share our best tips and tricks for getting on the good side of all the social media algorithms. You can download the guide absolutely free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/post, and I will link it below for you as well. All right, that's all I got for now. If you want even more tips on how to leverage Facebook and Instagram Reels to grow your audience, check out this playlist. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.